If you need to cancel a pending transfer on Bill.com, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log in. Access your Bill.com account by entering your username and password. Make sure you are using the correct credentials to avoid any login issues. Step 2. Navigate to Transfers. Once logged in, locate the Transfers section on your dashboard. This is where you can view all your pending and completed transfers. Step 3. Find the pending transfer. In the Transfers section, look for the specific pending transfer you wish to cancel. You may need to scroll through the list or use the search function if available. Step 4. Select the transfer. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Cancel the transfer. Look for the option to cancel the transfer, which may be labeled as cancel or withdraw. Click this option and confirm your choice when prompted to finalize the cancellation. By following these steps, you can successfully cancel a pending transfer on Bill.com. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Bill.com support for further assistance.